Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to insert image and how to insert the screenshot. First we will see how to insert the image. For that, whichever slide you want you can take. So here there is options available, you can select any of this. If you are selecting the option like this, in here you can see in the watermark it is showing the insert picture option. Just click on that and you will get the folder where you have saved the pictures and just insert it. So this is a one way, that is a shortcut way. But if you are taking the blank one where this logo is not coming, which is in the watermark, if like this it is coming, then what you have to do, you have to go inside insert tab, click on the picture, click on the picture which you want and insert. So in this way you can insert the image. Now once you insert the image in your PowerPoint presentation, one format tab opens, that is comes under the picture tool. So here there is a multiple option available. Now this picture I have inserted. Now I want to insert one more picture here. Like if I want to insert this picture here, now there are two pictures available. Now in this picture you can see there is no background, but in this picture I have a background. So if I want to remove the background, there is an option available in PowerPoint presentation. For that there is a separate tab available, that is a format tab. Just click on the format tab, click on the remove background. Now automatically it gives the option and removes little bit. Now if you want to increase it like this, you can drag it, and if you want the markup areas like this, you can also mark. Like if you want only the legs, not that green part, you can just click on that and that's it. So here one more thing you can do, you can directly use the option, just select the picture, click on the remove background. If you are satisfied with the output they have given you, you can also use and keep the changes. Like this you can do. Now here what you have done, you have removed the background of your picture, that means it is converted to the 3D type. Next one is the correction. So here is the upper part is available for the sharpen and the soften, and the bottom part is for the brightness and the contrast. If you want to increase the brightness and the contrast, you have to just roll it like this. You can see it is little bit the darker shade. Now if you want it to in the brightness, then you can use this. Next one is the color effect. If you want to use this color effect, like if you don't want it in the colorful format, if you want it like this. Now if you select the picture and if I remove this picture and I put it here and if I select the color, now once I click over there, you can see the different colors are applied to your picture. Next is the reset picture. If you click on the reset picture, it will go to the original one. So that is the use of reset picture. Next one is the artistic effect. If you want to make an artistic effect to your picture, then you can use the artistic effect. So now this is a pencil grayscale. If you click on it, it will convert to that pencil grayscale. If you don't find it good, you can reset it anytime. Next one is the compressed picture. So whenever you are making some different pictures in your PowerPoint presentation, it increases the size of your PowerPoint presentation. When you want to send it to the email, then you have to compress it. Just click on the compress. It will ask you the apply only to this picture or like this and click on OK. Whenever you want to send it to the email, you have to compress the picture. Then if you want to change the picture, just click on the change picture, select whichever picture you want like this, and it will get replaced with the different picture. Next one is the picture style. Now there are multiple styles available. If you want it in the oval shape, you have to just rotate your mouse and you can see the preview of the style, the picture style. So whichever style you want, you can use like this. So if you want like this, you can use this. Now next thing is the picture border. If you want to insert some picture border to your, then just select the weightage then picture border like this. Now the picture border is applied. Then the picture effects are there. There are multiple options available. If I remove it like this and if I select any of the option, like if you want a 3D one, the glow one, like this, so whichever option you prefer, you can just select it and just remove your cursor on that options. You can see the preview, whichever is your choice you can select. Next one is the bring forward and bring send backward. So when you have a multiple pictures in your document, then at that time sometimes you have to keep some pictures in front of each another one. Now I want to move this picture in the backward side, so I have to select it and send to the backwards. So you can see, if you wish you can bring it forward, just click on it and it will come in the forward. Next one is the rotate. If you want to rotate your picture, if your picture comes in the horizontal manner, you can rotate it with the help of this. This is the flip vertical, flip horizontal, like this. Now when you have a multiple pictures and you have done with the formatting and you have to make them in a group, then what you have to do, you have to press the control key, select both the pictures you have or whichever number you have, and then you can move them like this. So you can move them at a time. If you press the control key and select both of them, you can move them in random direction. Next one is the crop. If you find your picture is little bit bigger as per your requirement, then you can just drag it from the corners like this and you can make it smaller. So this is the use of the crop. Next one is the height and width. Once you are done with the editing, if you want it in the bigger, then you can increase the height and the width by using this option. So that is the use of height and width. So this way you can insert the image and make a formatting inside your image. Next part is the how to insert the screenshot. Now for that I have one example. I have to write the procedure for the downloading the Scratch software. So I am giving here steps, that is open the Google home page, but sometimes the visually it is not proper, or for understanding it is not proper thing. For that I have to put a screenshot so that it will be properly understood by everyone. So for that I have to click on the insert, click on the screenshot. Whenever you want to take a screenshot or whichever page you want to take screenshot, you have to keep it open in the background just like this. So I want to open the Google Chrome because I want to show the procedure. So first the procedure is open the Google home page. Now here first procedure is the open the Google home page. Now I will put the enter and click on the screenshot. Screen clipping I will do, and I will put this block inside my slide. Next one is the open the link. For that I will first go to the Google Chrome. I will type here Scratch downloads like this and I will open this page. So again I will go to my PowerPoint, click where I want to put a screenshot, click on the screenshot, screen clipping. Now once it opens, I will get a chance to clip. Now I will give this portion inside my PowerPoint presentation. Next one is the click on installation. For that I have to again go inside of Google Chrome, click on that Scratch offline editor. Once it gets open, again I will go inside my PowerPoint presentation, put my cursor over here just like this. Then I will click on the insert, click on the screenshot, screen clipping, and I will give the information like this. So this way you can take a screenshot of any page. It's not like you have to take the screenshot of only the Google Chromes or anything. You can also take the screenshot of any document. You can also take a screenshot of your desktop. So in this way it is very useful and it is very convenient to put the steps or the procedure which you want to explain because it's pictorial. So that is the use of screenshot. So in this video what we have learned, how to insert a picture, how to format the picture, and how to insert the screenshot. Thank you.